available Saturday night through Sunday night. There is also the potential for some freezing rain from late Saturday into Sunday morning, mainly well north of Milwaukee and Madison.
National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a test tornado warning for all of Wisconsin until 7 p.m. At 6:45 p.m., no severe weather was occurring or expected. This is only a drill. This drill is part of Severe Weather Awareness Week. Treat this as if it were a real emergency and practice your emergency plan. Repeating, this is a test message. Locations affected include all of Wisconsin.
Now here is the hazard.
Getting the right environment for the nurses they hire.
The family aspect of it, it's a real camaraderie. Everyone is
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a test tornado warning for all of Wisconsin until 7 p.m. At 6:45 p.m., no severe weather was occurring or expected. This is only a drill. This drill is part of Severe Weather Awareness Week. Treat this as if it were a real emergency and practice your emergency plan. Repeating, this is a test message. Locations affected include all of Wisconsin.
Rich bags to get rid of.
Sale this Thursday through Saturday. Get a minimum $4,000 for your trade on every used car, SUV, truck, or minivan. 3 days only. Get details at HondaCity.net.
We make car buying easy at Napleton's Toyota Brookfield. And the fastest way to a great new vehicle price is ToyotaBrookfield.com.
National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a test tornado warning for all of Wisconsin until 7 p.m. At 6:45 p.m., no severe weather was occurring or expected. This is only a drill. This drill is part of Severe Weather Awareness Week. Treat this as if it were a real emergency and practice your emergency plan. Repeating, this is a test message. Locations affected include all of Wisconsin. Your emergency plan. Repeating, this is a test message. Locations affected include all of Wisconsin.
This weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. This message is for test purposes only. The test tornado warning for all of Wisconsin expired at 7 p.m. This is a test message. The test tornado warning for all counties in Wisconsin expires at 7 p.m. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this message.
The National